Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Trello board permissions step by step clearly. To verify Trello board permissions, start by logging into your Trello account. Navigate to the board you wish to check. Look for the board's menu on the right side of the screen. Click on the Show Menu button if it's not already open. From the menu, select the More option. Click on Settings to access the board settings. Here, you will find the current visibility settings for the board. Check if the board is set to public, workspace visible, or private. If the board is public, anyone can view it without needing an invite. If it's workspace visible, only members of your workspace can see it. For private boards, only invited members can access them. Next, review the members listed under the Members section in the settings. Here, you can see all the users who have access to the board. Click on a member's name to check their permission level. Permissions include admin, normal, and observer roles. An admin has full control over the board, including changing settings and managing members. Normal members can add cards, comment, and make changes but cannot modify permissions. Observers can only view the board without making any changes. If you need to change a member's permission level, click on their name. Select the desired permission level from the drop-down menu. To remove a member from the board, click Remove Member. Ensure to communicate changes with your team for transparency. Once all verifications and changes are complete, close the Settings menu. You have successfully verified and adjusted Trello board permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.